Here we are in Year 2 Edexcel Core Pure, Chapter 3, Sequences and Series, Question 1. So, we are given a geometric series, okay, so it's a geo series, okay, has a third term of 27 and a sixth term of 8, okay, and they want to show the common ratio. Okay, show common ratio. Common ratio is 2/3. Okay, so we have the formula of, where is it gone? Common formula for the nth term of geometric is un equals, where is it, ARn minus 1. Okay, so we can put this together and see what we come up with. So the term is going to be the 27, okay, for the number is equal to the first term, the ratio, and then n is 3 minus 1. Okay, so of course 27 is equal to AR squared. We have also been told this other piece of information that tells us that 8 is equal to the first term, the ratio, and 6 minus 1. So we end up with 8 equals AR5. Okay, so with that in mind, what do we need to do to get both of those things solved? Okay, let's put this as A. So 27 divided by R squared is equal to A, which means we can sub it in here and we can say 8 is equal to 27 R squared R to the 5. This allows us to cancel the square and the power of 5 to a 3, and so we end up with 8 equals 27 R cubed. And now that we've got that, we can say that the 8 divided by the 27 is equal to R cubed, and so we get cubed root of 8 over 27 equals R, which of course is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 again is 8, and 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 again is 27. Ratio is 2/3. Brilliant. Then it says find the sum to infinity of this series. Okay, so we can do the sum of infinity and we can use the, let's just do B, right, the sum of this series to infinity is A divided by 1 minus A divided by 1 minus R. Now we haven't actually found out what A is yet, so we better just quickly do it up here. So since we've got R as 2/3, we can say 27 over 2/3 squared is equal to A. Stick it into a calculator or manipulate it however you want. 27 over 2/3 squared is 243 over 4, 234 over 4, okay, is equal to A. So as we put this back into our infinity ratio, we're going to get 234 over 4 over 1 minus 2/3, which gives us 234 divided by 1/3. That gives us 729 quarters, which is 182.25. Okay. C, find the, oh, B was find the first term. Okay, I did that. C was find the sum to infinity, and D, find the difference between the sum of the first 10 terms of the series and the sum to infinity. So we better find the sum of the 10 on here. So technically speaking, that was part B, that one was part C, and now we are looking at part D. So we need the sum of the first 10 terms, I should say, and let's use a bracket 1 minus Rn, 1 minus Rn divided by 1 minus R. Okay, doesn't really make any difference which way round we do it. Okay, and so we can then just start sticking this in with the 10. So we've got the first term, which is 2, 3, 4 over 4, brackets 1 minus the ratio of 2/3 to the power of 10 divided by 1 minus 2/3. Okay. Right then, so that times, what is that? That's 1 minus 2/3 to the power of 10. All over 1/3. Okay. 1/3. And hoping that I've used the calculator correctly. Oh, that's a good one. 58025 over 324, which is roughly 179.089, and so they want to know the difference between these two terms. So we've got the 729 over 4, the sum to infinity, minus the 58025 over 324 should be 729 over 4. Okay, 729 over 4, take away the answer, should be 3.160. Okay, that's A, B, and C. Three significant figures. Well, 3.16. Okay. Right. Good. Just check my answers to have a look, and I've made a mistake through all of it, but I've got the correct answer. So on the 2, 3, 4 here, that is actually 243. So that one should be 243, which gives you something like 60.75, I think it was. Okay, 60.75. But even though I wrote it down wrong there, okay, I do have the correct answer here, I believe, for the sum to infinity, 182.25, because I used the answer button on the calculator, which of course didn't write it down. Okay, and then again, I used the answer button on the calculator here, which gave me 243, which again gave me the correct answer here. So the answers are correct. I've just put in the wrong numbers as we come down and get to the final answer. So that was the 729. Yeah, that was correct. That's correct. Okay. If that's really confusing, let me know. I'll re-record it.